Flash Maverick. I need to show my people. Flash Maverick. Best player in this game.
Go up. One of the ex-Marusha Brazil.
8 numbers don't mean shit.
Joker's creeping in the dark. Hit up Ellie Bruce Wayne in the dark. Benelli with the green like a park. I push a button to start. I fuck it. Joker's creeping in the dark. Hit up Ellie Bruce Wayne in the dark. Benelli with the green like a park. I push a button to start.
Let me begin, I go in, I go hard, and you know that I tear it apart.
Got Mattel, we with the gang. Biggest photographer ever. Why is she hiding?
Like a park. Ooh, man, I'm so good that I can't even move. So I'll see you tomorrow. Ooh, I wanna give me a car. Get the rubber on the tar. I pull the strings like a guitar. Last call like a bar. Man, I'm so high and so bright and so large in that life that I think I'm a star. Other feature gonna get it tomorrow so he can go school with a car. Cover my ass, I want the gas, she want the cash. I want the dope, I want the last. Got me a pass, you wanna ride, you come with the phone. Tell me that you been the plug on the low.
Please what you drink? Okay.
You a realest nigga like it is Kong. I got the water like a bong. You can be cheap, I could be strong. Right niggas left, I can't do no wrong. I sit on my throne, I'm left in alone. Cause these are the realest you hear on the song. I talk to your hoe right here on the phone.
I fuck your bitch from the start. I had to tear her apart. Super Mario with a card. I suit up like I'm Tony Stark. Joker's creeping in the dark. Hit up Ellie Bruce Wayne in the dark. Benelli with the green like a park. I push a button to start.
Lyrically spitting barf. 36 light up the dark. Fuck it up, we making art. I push a button to start. Night Rider to these bitches. 36 coming for digits. Only the threes. Recording. Cool. Is it? Yeah, it is. And we sync the audio with a snap. So when I started this video, it was bright outside, you know. Okay, fine. I didn't start this video on time. I've been procrastinating all day. I'm like, you know what? 4 o'clock, half 4. It'll be better. It won't be that hot. I can record. Half 4. Clouds just out of nowhere. And then now it's here. It's pitch black. And I'm here improvising. But what's good, YouTube? It's your boy Crayon and I'm back with another video. It's a Wednesday. And today we're back with another apology video. But I haven't been posting for a while. I've just been posting music, I think. SoundCloud, YouTube, pretty much. That's it. Because I went to go get... I went to Gabs. I went to go link up with the boys, 36 gang. Went to go record a couple songs. And then I ended up staying longer than I had to because things popped up and yeah, things popped up. So now I'm back and I barely record when I'm that side because like, it's like music, like that's what we do when we're there, like trap house music. So I just wanted to apologize sincerely for not posting any proper YouTube videos in the past few whatever days or whatever, and we're back again. I'm gonna try to be consistent. I'm gonna really try to be consistent this time. I'm gonna try push it. Yeah, I say this all the time, never do it, but you know what it is. I'll throw in some clips from when I was at Gabs, and yeah, that's pretty much this video because I'm 100% sure it looks like shit. It's too dark. And if I switch on this light up here, it's gonna look like shit even more because this light is ugly. These two lights are ugly as well. They're not even the same color. This one is white, this one is yellow. So yeah. White balance, people. The camera died when I was doing this the last time, so like this video if you like this video. Comment in the comments section what you want to see me do in the next video next Wednesday, and hit the subscribe button if you feel you want to join the community that I'm trying to build here. I will catch you guys on the next video. Crayon BW for the first time ever on my new setup. I'm out. Chitty bang. I'm trying not to drop anything, so we're gonna have to figure out how to do this, because if I just go bang like I used to do on my phone, hey, catch you guys next week.
I know you like to live the life and get high too, and I'm the one that you vibe to, yeah. I know you like to live the life.